Hi there YouTube and welcome back to another video. On today's video guys, I'm just gonna do a market insight video on the VIX75 index because I can see you guys starting to love it. If you're from Nigeria, if you're from United States, if you're from South Africa or other countries, please make some noise in the comments down below. So with no further ado gang, let's jump into this video. So what we could have seen on the VIX Vol 75 index, what has happened? Price did break structure on our overall weekly time frame. We could have seen it here already happen. Price starting to break structure with this impulsive move here to the downside. What we could also notice right now is that price is trading at the 720 reason and also trading in between this 923 reason. So what we could do right now guys is to be patient, right? To be patient with VIX 75 index is to wait for price to close under 720 reason and trade price all the way down to 555. That will only happen once we get a bearish candle closing under 720. So we will see by tomorrow it's Friday, so we will then see our bearish candle because what we can also notice is that previously price respect and then we have this huge bullish momentum to the upside. But what we could notice right now is that we have a strong bearish momentum candle here to the downside on our weekly time frame. So what we could do right now is scale down to our daily time frame to look for more intraday time frame, intraday patterns guys. Sorry for that, my apologies, but I know you guys understand what I mean because why, so let's make it full screen. So what we could have noticed here on our daily time frame guys is that for those who followed me for a while or watching my videos would know I did say in my previous video on where will VIX 75 potentially retrace back to. I did mention this area. We can see that price basically give us this bearish variation, come back into this area. We can see multiple rejections and price continue to the upside. So if price starting to respect this area guys, then we can basically mark off this as our daily range. We can say that price is basically starting to creating a consolidation on our high on our daily time frame because why, if price starting to flip over to the upside right now, we can expect price to continue to this 923 reason here again guys. Then we can say that we are basically trading in a daily range. But what I would love to see VIX 75 do is to close under 720 under this area, so we can expect some move to the downside, retrace back at 720 and then potentially take price to the downside. But if we scale down to a more intraday time frames like on our 4 hour and 1 hour time frame, we could look at more smaller position sizing, right? I did took a position this morning and I got stopped out. That's all good, right? So here you guys can see how price starting to lose momentum once we starting to approach the 720 reason right here. Yeah, you guys could have seen this bearish candle right there, and now you can see we have two bearish candles basically trying basically creating in the season. So this is what you guys could see what price basically starting to do. So if we scale down to our 1 hour time frame now guys, is that this is basically my position. Let me just show you guys, right? The reason why I called this trade is that what I saw is that this was a previous area of support, price close under, retested, and there we have a strong bearish very hastened candle. So that is why I decided to do this trade setup on my smaller time frames like my 15 minutes, and that's the reason why price basically stopped me out. So here, as you guys can see, I did basically took this trade right here. It's my blue line, and I have my stop just above here. You can see we have liquidity sweep and then price come to the downside. So the reasoning behind this trade and why did I call this trade. As you guys could basically notice that I say that we have this impulsive move here to the downside, we have a correction phase here to the upside. I see we have this bearish variation, and there we have a strong bearish variation candle. I did execute my trading position just down this, and price reversed and took my stop and then went in my potential direction, guys. So I'm trying to do this type of videos on a daily basis just to inspire you guys to see what we can basically expect. And one thing that I can also notice is that, guys, we have basically this correction phase here to the downside. This descending correction phase is a sign for us that we can expect some reversal phase. If price are basically unable to break the 720 area, we can expect for price to close above, retest this area, and then continue to the upside, guys. This is a simple pattern that I can see on my 15-minute time frame. So guys, if you guys enjoy this video, please let me know in the comments down below, and let me know. It's your boy FXGK Millionaire. If you're new to my YouTube channel, please hit that subscribe button, and I'm out.